So hello guys, so this is a new vlog which we are starting. So the thing is, I could not shoot for past couple of days because we were facing memory issues wherein we were actually shooting the vlog, but our laptop was getting exhausted with the memory. So I have now recently bought one SSD just to edit the vlog, so that problem is solved. So today it's a Mahashivratri and we are planning to go to temples and visit the temples and take some blessings. And in between, as it is Sunday also, we might be roaming here and there also. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I am telling this subscribe initially because I think you all are not subscribing, so please subscribe. So now we have reached at temple. So we have just took the darshan of our Devi Shri Malsa Devi. So
now this is a prasad. Now we will go to another temple.
go now. So now we have come visiting a very famous bakery in
which is
Arambol,
Arambol,
Goa. So here it is. The good thing is you will find very authentic bakery products over here. So yes, we have visited to buy some coconut cakes. So we are now buying some coconut cakes. We'll show you how the Goan coconut cakes look like. It's very famous Goan.
Till then I'll show you here what are the items which are available. So this is veg burger.
This one. It's self-readable actually.
So you can see here it's chocolate donut. This is pizza here. You can see a pizza is also there.
So it seems the coconut cakes are not ready, so we have given the order of 25 counts and we will be collecting it at the evening. So we'll show you in the evening that thing. So yeah, so we are now heading towards another temple, so see you there.
Came here to have vada pav. This is our fixed place because you are getting a homemade, like proper authentic vada pav with a green and red chutney, green chutney, and they have given this mirchi with that. But it is fried mirchi and it tastes very good. To visit here, once you cross this Kiran Pani pool is there that you have to cross, and we will get this Guru Krupa hotel. It is on the right hand side. There are many such hotels, small stalls, but once you cross the pool at the right hand side, there is Guru Krupa hotel where you will get chicken, then roast omelette, vada pav, all the healthy snacks.
So we are now back in the evening in that same bakery,
yes,
to collect the coconut cake. So let's see
how it is.
No, not how it is. Let's see.
I'll taste for you.
Let's see if those are ready first, and then you will get to taste. Okay, so chalo, let's go outside.
Me and you.
Ah, yeah. Are ready? Yes, it's ready. Where it is?
This one. So this is a coconut cake. I am also trying this for first time.
How it is?
It's very good. The taste is very mild. It's not too much of. It's not too sweet. a blend of, I think, jaggery and coconut. So it's very soothing. Overall, it's good.
So we have collected these 25 pieces of coconut cake. We want those for some family rituals. So
So you will be wondering why we have taken so much of 25 coconut cakes. There is one ritual. Since we are newly married, when the newly married
couple,
No,
newly
not that.
married bride.
When the newly married bride goes to her mother's house first time, there is that ritual of taking something sweet,
From husband's side
from
to?
husband's side to wife's side. So that's why we have collected this coconut cakes, so that now my mother will
Distribute amongst
it
their
among
family.
among my family and plus also neighbors. Okay.
So it's very good actually.
And
If
it
you
is
are,
freshly made. It is taken on order.
this is the, what do you call? This is the actual taste of Goa, wherein the old ancient peoples, like old peoples, were actually doing this in homes. So the batter was actually prepared inside the home. So now, luckily, this is available in some bakeries, but this is the actually the original bakery dish of Goa.
Yes.
This coconut cake.
It is known as ball.
It is known as ball
Yeah, it
in
is
Konkani. Ball, but
Konkani.
in English, it's called coconut cake.
So it's usually a blend of coconut and jaggery. Okay. So the
Chalo.
jaggery is specifically, I think, of coconut only. Coconut jaggery they are using.
Yes.
Okay. So it's very good. Freshly prepared.
So this was our Sunday with Mahashivratri in Goa, where we have already visited a couple of temples, then had vada pav, visited bakery, had lemon water. So that's it. Chalo, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, share, and comment whatever you liked, and also comment if you want some more videos, whatever you want to explore in Goa, and we will definitely do for y'all. Okay. So chalo, bye bye.
Bye.